Hello children, please open up your EVS reader on page number 128. Today we will read and understand lesson number 16, Plants and their parts. There are many kinds of plants around us. They are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants are tall and some are small. The first kind of plants which we will read are trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. They have hard and strong stem called trunk. So the hard and strong stem of the trees is called trunk. All trees have branches. They live for many years. The trees live for many years. Now let us read the examples of trees. Banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, coconut tree. Now the second kind is shrubs. Some plants are smaller than trees and are bushy. They are called shrubs. They have hard stem. They live for few years. So the shrubs are smaller than trees and they live for few years. Now the example of shrubs are rose, henna, tulsi, and there are many more shrubs. The third kind is herbs. Some plants are small and have soft and green stem. The herbs have soft and green stem. So the herbs have soft and green stems. And the plants which have soft and green stems are called herbs. Herbs are the seasonal plants and they live for one season only. The example of herbs are grass, tomato, sunflower, etc. There are many more herbs, but here we can see only 3. So these are seasonal plants and they live for only one season. Now come to page number 129. The next kind of plants are climbers. Some plants are very weak. They cannot stand upright on their own. They need support or to stand erect. They are called climbers. So here you can see grapevine, pea plant, money plant. They need support to stand erect and they are called climbers. So you have to remember the 3 examples of climbers, which is grapevine, pea plant and money plant. Now the next kind of plant is creepers. There are some plants which are very weak. They have weak and soft stem. They grow along the ground. They cannot stand straight. They are called creepers. So creepers are the plants which are very weak and they cannot stand straight. They cannot stand upright. Even if we give support, they will not be able to stand straight. And so they grow along the ground. What are the examples of creepers? You can see watermelon, then pumpkin and cucumber. These are the 3 creepers which we have to learn. So you have to remember the names. Watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber are creepers. Now the next kind of plant are water plants. Some plants grow only in water. They cannot grow on land. The water plants are also called aquatic plants. The water plants are also called aquatic plants, and they cannot grow on the land. The water plants are either fixed or floating. So let us read the examples. Water lily. This is water lily. It grows in water. It cannot grow on land. Next one is lotus and jalkumbi. These are the three water plants. Now let's learn more. The green leaves prepare food for the plant. We all know the green leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Okay, so you have to remember that the green leaves prepare food for the plant. So we stop our video here, children, today, and tomorrow we will learn about the different parts of the plants. So you read the lesson till page number 129 today, and we continue it tomorrow. Till then, have a nice day and God bless you.